Okay, we're about 1,850 metres high on our way from Bagne de Luchon, which is somewhere over there, going up the Porte de Salau, which is another nearly 300 metres up in that direction, going over to Aires-les-Bains on our 5th day from the Atlantic to the Mediterranean. There's Jen climbing up there. She just stopped for an energy bar, so I just thought I'd do a quick video of the equipment. So here is the beauty, the Zetnat Cycles sourced form carver with slightly jazzed up forks. I've got SRAM Force 1x with an ostentatious power meter on there. The main bit of kit though are the tyres and wheels. I've got Vittoria Tirreno Dry 40mm, actually they're a 38 on Novatec CXDs, which have performed faultlessly so far. I've got an Alp kit bag on there, which got we're out for 7 days, so we're travelling pretty light. Got some CO2 in case we need to blow a tyre back on at some point, but no punctures yet. If we do, we've got some dyno plugs, a couple of big bottles. I've not gone crazy to town with bottle cages everywhere because this is a race bike, although it seems to be doing pretty well gravel wise. And I've got the Sunto Ambit watch on there, which seems to be able to last for about 12 hours, so just about gets us through. Okay, lube. I've got not a dry lube, not quite a wet lube, because you never know what the weather's going to be like. I can't remember the name. I think you can pick it up from cyclocrossracer.co.uk. Got some Quaxar pads in the SRAM brakes, which haven't needed to change yet. I think you get those from Cyclocross Racer too. And that's about it. And here she is. We better get going.